Hey there, guys. Hope you are doing great. This is Maddy. Welcome to the Maddy Trader. We're gonna see how the Nifty performed in the last week and how it's gonna perform in the upcoming weeks. So let me discuss about that. It's just an analysis video. It's not a call or anything like that. I'm not responsible for your profit and losses. Just for educational purpose only. So let's get into this, guys. So as we know that the Nifty is trading in a channel pattern. So as in for the last over 10 months, like here here it's kind of a channel pattern. It's trading like that. So it took a support at the previous, exactly here. So and had a small resistance, minor resistance here. So the Nifty also had traded in by some weeks here in this level and broken out from this level with a gap up and gave a retest here and gone up. Today market had opened 130 points gap up, but after that it sold off it loses all the gains Nifty. So what may happen in the Monday? So it can happen. So what I think is, let we see in the smaller time frame. So as you can see that, guys, this is a huge sell-off candle. I think 2 to 3 o'clock time, the huge sell-off. I think the FI sold many stocks here. I guess so. So what I think is, what my analysis is, so Nifty can come down this level, so come down this level and make some kind of a bullish candle, either a hammer candle or a spinning top, like that. Sorry for my drawing. So if it comes down there, so there is also a demand zone. Yeah, the previous resistance, once it got broken down, it becomes a support. So as you all know, so the Fibonacci, if you use the Fibonacci numbers, so the zero point 0.5 also there to support. So it's a confluence that it will act as a good support here. So for if you ask me, guys, I will go long if Nifty comes down here and make some kind of a bullish candle, like as I said, hammer or bullish engulfing, either even a spinning top. I will go with this kind of risk, and at least I aim for this level. This is a sideways as broken out. So the target of this is the price action. If you use the price action, the target should be, we draw target should be like that. Yeah. So the target is first, my first target is here. This is my first target of Nifty 17,000 levels. So as I will enter in futures, I guess so. I aim for the 1:3 risk reward is worth to risk. Even if my stop loss hit, I'll be happy because my stop loss is very minimal compared to my profit. So this is how you look, how you trade, guys. So this is what my analysis on Nifty for the upcoming weeks. It either come down and take a support and go up, and it's already in a good buy only. I guess it won't sell off. It won't broke down this level and comes down and come down. I guess it will take a support and go up. As we look at the bank nifty also trading in a sideways as Nifty. So it took also support from as like Nifty. So as you can see, the bank Nifty also like that. Yeah. So if we draw the target for that, the target is not reach. So if Nifty comes down and the bank Nifty comes down also, I will take a trade and the bank Nifty at here. If it comes down and take a support at here, I will go with this level of kind of this, with this, the 1:4 risk reward of, guys. So this is what my analysis on Nifty and bank Nifty. I'm just waiting for some taking support at the demand zone and the Fibonacci levels. I guess the Nifty will give a support and go up. So this is what my analysis on Nifty and bank Nifty. So let's we see some kind of stocks what is going to go up. for the upcoming weeks. It's not a call, guys, just for educational video. First stock we are gonna see is Mirza International. Yeah, Mirza International. It's a good stock. I see that stock at the 60 rupees now at 244 rupees. So good stocks to, I guess, go with the swing trade. So yeah, this stock has gone up already. This gone up and made a, here it fall down with resistance, and already also comes down and took a support at here and go up and sideways, and the stock after the earnings, good earnings, I guess so, then the stock rallied those level. But this kind of a parabolic breakout, I don't trust to enter at here. I will only, if you ask me, guys, I will only enter after it comes down this level, and make some consolidate or make some bullish kind of candles. So then only I will go along with this kind of 5% of loss, and at least I aim for a, it the 15%, guys. It can go up, it has momentum. So we have to wait and see. This is my first stock, the Mirza International. um, yeah, just the pattern is just for a previous resistance broken, and we are entering after the retest, and the retest has to be good, so then only we can enter, otherwise we can avoid. So this is how this support and resistance works. Yeah. So the next stocks we are gonna see is Kpi Technology. This is my favorite stock, guys. Yeah, this is one of my favorite stocks. As you can see, the stock has rallied so much in this past year. So very good stock in my portfolio. So yeah, this stock has stayed the trend line. It just broke the trend line at here, and after the Nifty fell off, it lost all the gains, but it still have a momentum to go up. That's what I guess. So if you ask me, guys, in coming weeks, if the stock goes like that in a smaller time frame, we can see in the smaller time frame. Yeah, as you can see that the stock broke out from the trend line and coming to, I think, gave a retest. So yeah, this is kind of a resistance level. This is yeah. So I will enter here maybe. Yeah, this level will keep my stop loss at here, and I aim for this to my first target. Look at this, guys. At least 1 is to 2.5. Yeah. So this is my first target, and this is my second target. So it has a momentum to go up. It's a very good stock in my portfolio. Yeah, it's my favorite stock also. That's why I'm analyzing that. This is for not a call, guys. It's for just for an educational video. So yeah, the trend line got broken. So after the trend line got broken, it may go up. It will go up for the technical analysis, technical forms. Yeah, that's why we are saying that. First, we have see the support and resistance. Now we are seeing the trend line broken stocks. Next stocks we are gonna see is my favorite stock also, Mindtree. It is a good IT company. So as you can see, Mindtree has fallen down almost around for 30 to 40% from the all-time high. So yeah, 46%. Damn. So after it fall down the 46%, the stock has made a, that we see in the smaller time frame, the stock has formed a inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. As the technical form, if we draw the target for that, we have to neckline and draw neckline to head, and we put the in the like that. So the my first target for the stock is could reach this level, 3,300 rupees, and it's come down to give a retest at here. So as a conservative trader, as an aggressive trader, you can enter here. As a conservative trader, you can enter at the neckline levels with a stop loss of below the right shoulder, and the target of this, wow, 1 is to 4.5, guys. So I am guessing of entering in stocks. So if I ask me, guys, I will surely enter once it comes down this level to take retest and go up. I will surely enter with the stop loss of below the right shoulder, and the target of these resistance. So these are the video today. We are discussed about Nifty Bank Nifty analysis for the upcoming weeks and the stocks for swing or the upcoming weeks. So, what kind of patterns it formed, what behind this patterns. So how to put a stop loss and how to put a target for the patterns. So these guys, hope you learned something today. So until then, bye from me. This is Maddy, the Maddy Trader.